I want to discuss about the quadrilateral. हमारे quadrilateral একটা quadrilateral দিছে undefined. This is a undefined quadrilateral. ABCD. তোমারে এসি দিছে, যেমন কি আমার কোয়েকশন আমি যেগুলো দিয়া দিছি তার মধ্যে দেশগুলো একটা আমি লইয়ার অবু দিছে 8 সেন্টিমিটার, অবু দিছে পার্টিকুলার টোন ফর্ম BM ইকুয়াল টু দিছে 3 সেন্টিমিটার, ধরল 3 সেন্টিমিটার, আর অবু দিছে 5 সেন্টিমিটার। ফাইন্ড দ্য এরিয়া অফ দি কোয়াড্রিল্যাটারাল। এরিয়া অফ কোয়াড্রিল্যাটারাল ফর্মুলা হলো এরিয়া একটা স্ট্যান্ডার্ড আছে। এরিয়া হয়ে যদি আমি ABCD লিখিলাই, ছোট হাতর হইতো এ, ছোট হাতর এ হইতো এরিয়া ABCD হইলে আমরা এরিয়া ABCD লেখা লাগতো না, ম্যাথমেটিক্যাল ফর্মে গেল গিয়া এ আর এ দিয়ে ব্র্যাকেট দিয়ে ABCD দিলে এরিয়া হয়ে গেল গিয়া এরিয়া অফ ABCD ইকুয়াল টু হাফ অফ AC ইন্টু এটা হইল BM, এটা হইল DN, half of BM plus DN, half of AC হইল গিয়া 8, BM হইল 3, DM হইল 5 সেন্টিমিটার স্কোয়ার। এরিয়া সব সময় সেন্টিমিটার স্কোয়ার থাকে। দিস ইজ 4 into 8 equal to 40 centimeter square. This is to how find if undefined quadrilateral given one diagonal and altitude to the opposite vertex. যদি opposite to the opposite vertex আছে তো এইভাবে ফর্মুলা দিবা করা হয়। 2 নম্বর হলো এরিয়া অফ প্যারালেলোগ্রাম। প্যারালেলোগ্রামের ডেফিনেশন ইজি, এটা হইল গিয়ে বেজ ইন্টু হাইট। দেখা যায় আমার প্যারালেলোগ্রাম অগু দিল 8 সেন্টিমিটার, আমার হাইট দিল 5 সেন্টিমিটার। হাউ ফাইন্ড দ্য এরিয়া? আমার তো বেজ দিছে না, ABCD, আমার তো বেজ না দিয়ে আমার ডিসি দিছে। আমার ডিসি দিছে 8 সেন্টিমিটার, হাইট দিছে 5 সেন্টিমিটার। এরিয়া হইল গিয়া AB ইন্টু H। We know opposite sides of a quadrilateral are equal. If this equal to 8 centimeter, then AB equal to 8 centimeter. Therefore, 8 centimeter into 5 equal to 40 centimeter square. So this is how to find the area of the parallelogram. Now find the area of the rhombus. Rhombus or দুইটা ফর্মুলা আছে। একটা হইল গিয়া rhombus হইল গিয়া আমার দিয়া দিব মনে কি আছে rhombus. This is a rhombus. ABCD. You have given diagonal AC equal to 8 centimeter, BD equal to 6 centimeter. So area of quadrilateral, area of ABC rhombus equal to half of AC into BD, half of product of diagonal area of rhombus. This is one formula. Another half of 8 into 6 centimeter square, 24 centimeter square. This is the area of rhombus. Area of rhombus also find in another way, like the formula of parallelogram, base into height. If rhombus, we know rhombus all sides are equal. In case of rhombus all sides are equal, you have given this is 6 centimeter and height is given 5 centimeter. What is the area? Area will be base into height, AB into H. height AB into H. In case of rhombus, there are two formula of area. One is half of product of diagonal. Another is base into height. Here AB is not given AD. We know all sides of the rhombus are equals. If AD equal to 6 cm, then AB is also 6 cm. So 6 into 5 equal to 30 cm square. So this is how to find the area of rhombus in two methods. One is half of product of diagonal and another is base into height. Now in the question number 5, in question number 5 you have given A, B, C, D. Question number 5, AB equal to 4 cm, AC equal to 6 cm, BD equal to 3 cm. Find DE. Find DE. So here we use two formula, half of product of diagonal and base into height. First you have to find area ABCD equal to half of AC into BD. Half of AC 6 into 3 equal to 3 equal to 9 centimeter square. So this is area. From the diagonal we find the area. Now to find D, again we know AE base into height, AB into D equal to area. We already find the area equal to 9 centimeter square. What is AB? AB equal to 4 into D equal to 9 centimeter square. Therefore, D equal to 9 divided by 4 equal to 2 whole of 1 by 4 equal to 2.5 centimeter. So this is how to find the D. D how will you find? Now solve this one. Given PR and QS, that is diagonal given. SN is given, to find PQ. Now from diagonal, area of PQRS equal to half of PR into QS, that is half of product of diagonal is the area of rhombus. Half of product of diagonal is the area of rhombus. Half of PR 10 into QS will 8 centimeter square, 2 5s are 10 equal to 40 centimeter square. Now area, now another formula which is base into height by using two formula. In case of rhombus there are two formula, one is half of product of diagonal and there is base into height. So half base into height, not half, PQ into SN equal to 40 centimeter square. You have given SN, PQ into 4 equal to 40 centimeter square, PQ equal to 10 centimeter square. So this is how to find area of rhombus related problem. Now area of trapezium. What is trapezium? If a quadrilateral one pair of sides is parallel, then it is called trapezium. In case of rhombus, four sides are equal, but angles are not right angle. This is a trapezium. AB, C, D. This is H, DE. Area of trapezium equal to half of AB plus CD into D. That is half of sum of parallel sides into height. Half of sum of this into this plus this. If this is 12 centimeter, this is 10 centimeter, and height is 8 centimeter, then half of 12 plus 10 into 8. Half of sum of parallel sides into height. Sum of parallel sides into height. Half of 22 into 8, 11, 80 centimeter square. This is how to find the area of trapezium. This is how to find the area of trapezium. Now you have given a trapezium, given area. Area is given a trapezium whose area is 54 centimeter square. Area of AB, CD, which is 54 centimeter square. You have given AB equal to 10 centimeter, CD equal to 8 centimeter. Find height. AB equal to CD equal to 8 centimeter, AB equal to 10 centimeter. We know half of AB plus CD into H equal to area 54 centimeter square. So 10 plus 8 into H equal to 2 into 54. 18 into H equal to 2 into 54. H equal to 2 into 54 divided by 18. 3 H equal to 6 centimeter. So this is the related problem in the quadrilateral, trapezium, parallelogram and rhombus. In case of rhombus, there are two formula. One is related in terms of diagonal, half of product of diagonal. Another is in terms of base and height, half of base into height. Area of trapezium, half of sum of parallel sides into height, half of AB plus CD into H. What is trapezium? A quadrilateral whose one pair is parallel. One pair is parallel is called trapezium. What is parallel line? These two lines are said to be parallel if distance between two lines are equal. If distance between two lines are not equal, then it is not parallel line. These are called non-parallel line. Parallel line and non-parallel line. In case of rhombus, four sides are equal. In case of parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Area of parallelogram base into height, and area of any undefined quadrilateral, half of diagonal into sum of altitude from opposite vertex.